The next animal to meet is going to be really exciting.
We're here at the Wildlife Center visitation. They came to Port Salerno Elementary so that the kids can experience firsthand the animals they've been learning about for the last 4 weeks.
In my hands is a young alligator.
The Education Foundation has provided so many hands-on activities for them that they've been excited and looking forward for this day.
This is a Florida native snake. She is a corn snake or a red rat snake.
Without those tools from the Education Foundation, I feel like these centers wouldn't be as engaging. I feel they learn so much better when things are hands-on. They're getting to move around the classroom. They get to explore new things that they want to explore. And they get to experience new things that they might not have learned without them.
How can they hear underwater? Alligator.
Oh, you see these? Let's see, look at her ear slits. They feel, again, like through vibrations.
The animals are so cool. They can be carnivore, eating plants, they can be prey, or they can be predators.
This program is just giving these kids like such an advantage for the next school year. I think that in 3rd grade, they're gonna be confident in their skills and their knowledge and their background knowledge that they've built during this summer academy. They're gonna be the first ones ready and raising their hand. They're gonna be the ones that are gonna be the most engaged and the ones that are going to have that little bit of advantage to start confident their 3rd grade year.
It's always amazing to have that wonder and to go out and find answers to your questions, because maybe you're the first person that's ever thought of this question. And so it's a way that you can bring new things to the world.